In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the internal battery in a Kia Borrego key fob. This key fob here was used between 2010 and 2012 and takes one CR2032 battery. It's really easy to open up, just follow along. First thing you gotta do is hold down this button to remove your internal key. Now you can set that to the side, and if you look over here at the keyhole where we just pulled the key out of, there's a little indentation right to the side that we are going to use to open this thing up with just a flathead screwdriver. So go ahead and insert your screwdriver into that area, hold firmly, and twist just like that. And you can see we've started to open up this key fob. And you can just pull it apart with your fingers. If you want to be more careful, go ahead, just gently twist until it comes apart really easily. Okay, here's our battery. All we need to do is lift it out of this housing with our flathead screwdriver. Just be gentle and pry it out slowly, and it'll pop right out. There it is, a CR2032 battery. And when you replace it, when you take a brand new battery, make sure you put this positive side with the text and information there, face down. Just slide it into place, click it so that it sits flush. And all we need to do now is reattach these two pieces and pop the key right back in there. That's all it takes. I hope this helped you out, and if it did, feel free to leave a like or give us a comment. And for more information on how to change the batteries for any of your key fobs for any make or model, go ahead and check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.